How to create a Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive and install Windows 11. First, click to open your web browser. Type to search download Windows 11 SO and then hit enter. Click on Microsoft website. Move down and then select Windows 11 Multi-Edition SO for 64 device. Click on Download Now. Choose your language and then click on Confirm. After that, click on 64-bit download. Wait this to complete the download. Next, type to search Download Rufus. Click to open this website. Click to download the latest version for Rufus. OK. When all files are ready, insert your USB flash drive. Click to open Rufus. Make sure USB drive is selected. Click to select the image. Now, under Partition Scheme, select your GPT or MBR if your PC doesn't use GPT. After that, click on Start. Now here you can do some changes. If your PC does not support Windows 11, choose these two options. After that, click on OK. Now this will start making the bootable USB drive, and here you have to be patient. And done. Now click to check or the USB is ready. So, there you can go on install Windows 11 on your PC. And that's it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and even leave a comment. See you next time.